Earthquakes and volcanoes. Nature's fiery drama. Before starting, let's have a look at the characters in the journey. Professor Tremor. Volcano. Earthquake.
Hello, young scientists. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting topics in geology, earthquakes and volcanoes. And to help me explain, I've invited two special guests. Meet Volcano and Earthquake.
Boom! Hello, humans. I'm Volcano, the superstar of the Earth's surface. Did you know I'm formed when magma, the hot molten rock beneath the Earth, bursts out? I create islands, mountains, and, let's face it, spectacular fireworks.
Impressive, Volcano. But where does this magma come from?
It's from the mantle, beneath the Earth's crust. The heat and pressure make it rise. When it escapes, it erupts, creating volcanoes like me.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Did someone call for excitement? I'm Earthquake. I happen when the Earth's crust, those giant puzzle pieces called tectonic plates, move, collide, or slide past each other.
Earthquake, tell us about your favorite places to shake things up.
Fault lines, baby. That's where tectonic plates meet. When the stress builds up too much, boom! It's party time. The energy travels as seismic waves, shaking the ground.
Sure, Earthquake, you're cool and all, but my eruptions shape the Earth's surface. Hawaii, my handiwork.
Big deal! I'm the reason scientists invented seismographs. People fear and study me more.
Hold on, you two. You're both important. Volcanoes create new land, and earthquakes teach us about the Earth's crust and inner workings. You're like nature's storytellers. Let's recap. Earthquakes happen because tectonic plates move, and volcanoes form when magma escapes the crust. Together, they remind us how alive and dynamic our planet is.
Stay curious, young scientists.
Science is awesome. Keep exploring. Like, subscribe, and share to our YouTube channel, International Schooling, for more such amazing and interesting videos.